The key to humans is fear. They're always scared. They like to live in a crowd just like sheep. Except the prophets, thinkers, people with big dreams, even crazy people. They're always alone, and there is a price to be paid for being unbalanced. There's two types of humans, my friend. The first one is the one who ambition their whole life to make a living, and the law designed to protect and support these people. The second one, thinkers, people with big dreams, big abilities. What I understand for these people, they are obtaining the law just to maintain their appearance. They are the one who's making the law. Their personal freedom is the law. And when you become a certain level of authority, you become indifferent to money. And God put you here for a reason. And you can get anything you want in this world. You just gotta believe in yourself.